How's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about String.raw. So uh, what this does is it gonna give you the raw template literals which have the similar to R prefix or in the Python, which is in the Python, and a @ prefix like in the C soft. If you don't know another language, just that it does give you the template, so that in that way you don't have the problem. So let me show you. Like, think of as a you want to print the string, and you want something like print like C C and this and devil devel development. So yeah, now you will know by now that what's gonna happen if we print this. So it gonna remove that. So this is what it does. This is the problem with that. So what you need to do is we need to use the template literals by using the const. So const file path equals string dot raw, and use the backtick. So now what we're gonna do is pass something like say use this. You can now use this too, and now what we can do with that is development development slash profile slash about me. Windows user can easily understand what I'm doing. So now what we need to do is log it on a console and pass this. The file is uploading from is the plus, and now what we're gonna do is file path. When you do that, it's gonna give you, oh, there's an uncaught error. What that is, let me see. Oh yeah, that's why we forgot to concatenate this. So yeah, this file is uploaded from C development profile about.html. So this is what it does. If we're using the another laws, you will read problems. So this is what this string.raw uses. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.